Welcome to Cruises and Casinos. We are on Carnival Mardi Gras. It's Monday, February the 5th, 2023. We're getting ready to film a new line dance contest that's going to be held right here. And we are speaking with Karen from Maine.
Hello.
And she's having parched pig. It's a new beer. And what did you just say to me?
What am I going to say to you?
No.
I'm going to say, hold my beer. That's what we say in Maine. When
There
we're
you go.
Do something stupid.
Okay. That was great. Thank you. Okay, we'll be right back with the line dance contest.
Are you having a good time? Let me hear you say yeah. Marvelous. Well, my name is Mathew with 1T. I'm part of your front squad, but I can't do this line dance class alone. He's been out here giving you all the jams. Let's hear it for DJ Clark, y'all. Come on, let's hear it for DJ Clark. Now, I'm about to get started with our line dance class, which means you gotta get up on your feet and get your body moving. So I want to see as many people as I can right here on this dance floor. We're gonna start you off with one that you guys know and you love, which will get you up here, and then I'm gonna teach you some new ones that you don't along the way. So DJ, what's that first track you got for everybody? Oh, well, of course, it's the Cupid Shuffle. Easy. So I want everybody out here. Come on, yeah. Now, I don't know what the floor is hot, so if you need shoes, be careful, all right? Maybe a little warm, but we don't want to put water on it. You'll get slippery. So, all right, more people. I need more people. There's a lot of open space right here. We got to fill it out. Here we go. Come on. I know you know it. You want to get you good roll. Roll. Right, don't worry. All right, there's still a lot of open space, y'all. There's still a lot of open space. Now, if you're in the pool, you can stay in the pool, and you're going to swim to the right, swim to the left. You feel that? You got that? You understand? All right, don't feel that drink on. Corey, don't mix good. Don't mix good. All right, y'all. I need more people out here as we get started. We're going to, straight out. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Well, she's moving in. Where's the sound? You don't want to leave that. Oh, there we go. All right. Now, if you're not out here dancing, I want to see you clapping. All right, here we go. Yes, okay, I like it. Very good. Everybody, here we go. You guys go to the front. Go to the right. Here we go. To the left. All right, let's pick up the beat. Hey, here we go. And 2, and 3, 4, and twist. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. All right, let's go big kick. And twist. All right, facing the DJ. Right. 4 to the left. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. Here we go. All right, here's our round of applause. We got you out here. Welcome again, everyone. My dancers. My name is Mathew with 1T. Now, you're going to hear me say that a lot. The thing is, most Matthews have 2 T's in their name, but I've only got 1. And my mama always said, never let anybody call you Matt, because a Matt with 1 T is a floor mat. Don't call me that, all right? Hi, y'all. I'm Mathew with 1T, and we're going to do this line dance class. We're going to do some dances that you know, like Cupid Shuffle, and we're going to do something that you don't know, because I made it up, all right? Now, this first one is familiar to you. It is called the electric slide. Who knows the electric slide? All right, if you don't, you have your hand up. This is your chance to learn, all right? I'm just going to put this right on the step. Is that okay, lovely? Very good. Don't trip over that. All right. So it's very simple. The electric slide is called the great line. We're going to do it to the right, to the left, and back. It's a very simple right, cross, right, clap. And to the left, cross, left, clap. Very simple. Left, right, then we'll take it back. So we'll go back, 2, 3, clap. Let's do it together. Ready? Ready? And to the right, 2, 3, clap to the left, 2, 3, clap to the back, 2, 3, clap. At this point, your right foot back, your left foot is forward. What I want you to do is I want you to rock with it. Rock to the front, rock to the back, rock to the front. Very simple. So 4 rocks, all right? We're going to rock to the front, rock to the back, rock to the front. At this point, your right foot is ready to go. You're going to kick it and land, and that'll be the beat number 1. All right? Let's do that rocking part together. to the back, rock to the front, kick, land. Let's try that together again. Rock, 5, 6, 7, 8, and rock, 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 kick, land. Let's do that one more time, ready? We're gonna go and rock, 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 kick, land. Now when you land, that's the first beat of the right to the right to the left. Let's try that together. Are you guys ready? I said, are you ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7 to the right. 2, 3, and clap to the left. 2, 3, and clap. Take it back. 2, 3. Here we go. And rock, 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 kick, land. 2, 3, and clap to the left. 2, 3, and clap. Take it back. 2, 3, and clap. And rock, 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 kick, land. All right. Everybody grease me, grease me. That is the whole thing. We keep doing it in a circle. Now, there's some opportunity for you to put your own little flavor and spice on it, all right? For instance, where are we going tomorrow? Where are we going? We're going to Mexico, am I right? Who's ready for Mexico? Well, since we're going to Mexico, I'm going to need to put a little bit of tapatio on it, all right? So, if you want to rock, keep doing that rock. Or if you want to put some tapatio, some spice on it, you can drop your hips and go, hips, woo, woo, and then turn, all right? That's up to you, all right? Or if you're really Latin, you see, I'm half Mexican. My mom's from Mexico, all right? I don't like habanero, jalapeno, but you know, I got a little spice in it. If you don't want to do the hips, maybe you can really do it, then you can spin it out. So instead of rocking, you can do this. You're gonna go step, turn, step, ow, all right? That's for advanced mode. That's for advanced mode. Are you ready for advanced mode? She said, I'm ready. All right. You can't do that. The easiest thing to do is once you get the rock part, if you do want to do the rock, I'm going to challenge you to touch the floor. So when you rock forward, touch the floor. Come back up. All right? We'll worry about the extras when it comes down to it. In the meantime, are you guys ready to get started? Yeah? All right. This is an old school dance. It's also an old school song with a new school twist. This is Before I Let Go by...
Doing crazy dreaming.
cruises and casinos on Carnival Mardi Gras. This is the new line dance class on the pool deck. Thank you all for watching.
So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we do that together? Ready and 1, 2, 3, 4.